Moving to the USA is a dream for millions of people around the world. But let's be honest, dreaming isn't enough. You need skills that American employers will actually pay big money for. The good news? You don't need to start from zero. The right skill, learned the right way, can open doors to six-figure salaries, visa sponsorships, and a real life in America. Today I'm breaking down the top 5 high-income skills that will help you not just survive, but truly settle in the USA. Let's go. Number 5. Digital marketing. Every American business needs online visibility, and skilled marketers are in massive demand. SEO, paid ads, social media strategy, and email campaigns are skills companies will hire for immediately. Average salary, $75,000 to $110,000. Google, HubSpot, and Meta certifications are recognized nationwide. This skill works across industries, giving you maximum job flexibility as a newcomer. Number 4. Healthcare skills, nursing and medical coding. America has a critical healthcare worker shortage. Internationally trained nurses, medical coders, and healthcare assistants are being actively recruited across the country. Registered nurses earn $80,000 to $110,000 on average. Medical coders can start earning $55,000 to $75,000 remotely. Many employers offer visa sponsorship specifically for healthcare roles, making this a direct pathway to settling in the USA. Number 3. Cloud computing and DevOps. Amazon, Microsoft, Google, every tech giant is desperately hiring cloud professionals. Cloud computing and DevOps skills are among the most portable and highest paying in the entire US job market. Salaries range from $120,000 to $170,000. US Azure and Google Cloud certifications are globally recognized and employer trusted. Best of all, these skills can be learned online before you even arrive. Number 2. Software development. America's tech industry runs on code, and it never has enough developers. Software development remains the single most reliable high-income skill for immigrants settling in the USA. Average salary, $130,000 to $180,000. Python, JavaScript, and Java are the most in-demand languages. Tech companies regularly sponsor H-1B visas for skilled developers, making this skill your fastest legal pathway to long-term US residency. Number 1. Artificial intelligence and data science. This is the skill America cannot get enough of in 2026. AI and data science professionals are being recruited from every corner of the world, with salaries, relocation packages, and visa sponsorships offered up front. Compensation starts at $140,000 and goes well past $200,000 at top companies. Python, machine learning, and data modeling are your core tools. Companies are not waiting. They need this talent now, and that urgency works entirely in your favor. Settling in the USA is not about luck, it's about leverage. And these 5 skills give you exactly that. Pick one, go deep. Build real expertise, and America's job market will